In today's video, we're diving into the unboxing and review of the Govee Indoor Hygrometer Thermometer 3-pack, a Bluetooth-enabled device designed to keep you informed about the humidity and temperature conditions in your home, greenhouse, or any indoor space. Right out of the small box, we're greeted by 3 sleek devices, each promising to deliver high accuracy in temperature and humidity readings. The inclusion of batteries in the package is a thoughtful touch, making setup a breeze. It's as simple as popping in the batteries and powering on. Pairing these devices with the Govee Home app couldn't be easier. A quick scan of the QR code on the box, a few taps, and we're connected. The Bluetooth range is impressive, offering up to 196 feet of coverage, ensuring you're always in the loop with real-time data. We placed one device in our greenhouse to monitor the conditions critical for our garden's growth. The large, bright LCD display keeps the information readable at a glance. The app itself is a standout feature. Not only does it provide instant alerts when temperatures or humidity levels exceed your preset ranges, but it also stores up to 20 days of data, which you can export in CSV format. Overall, the Govee Indoor Hygrometer Thermometer packs a punch with its accuracy, ease of use, and smart app features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews.